Welcome to the Winter Wonderland. Do a cold start because cold starts are horrible. But I'm going to show you something here that makes it a little easier on equipment. The old tow truck. Now it's only 12 below out here today, but this works for whatever temperature it is. I don't have it plugged in, so it's been sitting for a while. Brush the snow off. Be patient. I'm going to turn a cold start into a warm start. Is what I'm going to do. Yeah, pop the hood. And I'm going to have to go around the other side. And if your battery's low, this is a good time to throw the booster cables on it. I'm stuck. Come on. Stuck underneath the spare. There. I guess I should put my glove on instead of just packing it around. That's better. Okay, here we go. Bunch of cables. I got the old Dodge here. New Dodge, whatever. See what I've done. Snow off. I've used Pioneer style hydraulic fittings on my coolant lines. Get this to come loose. Hold on a second here. Set the camera down. Uncouple of them. I've got them on the heater line. And over here on the truck, I've also got this one rigged up with the same fittings and an extra coil of heater hose. So I run up here, just plug them in. The other end, plug it in to the truck. Well, the Dodge has been running, so it's warm. Makes these lines a bit warm. There we go. Okay, now it's coupled up. I'm gonna give it an intravenous shot. Like I said, also a good time to boost it. Hook up the cables. what we end up with is feeding out of the one truck, and it goes in and it feeds into the other truck, and the warm coolant circulates and it'll warm up this cold block at the same time as charging the battery. So there we go. Come back in about a half an hour and that truck will be warmed up and fire right up. Alright, it's been about a half an hour. Truck's been running away here on high idle. Reach in, nice and warm. Charged right up. Neutral. Oh, starter's cold. Shut the heater off, it squeals. Hear the starter kicking over, it needs a new Bendix. Sometimes you sit here and just run them. It'll heat up the Bendix so it engages. Sometimes. Pretty cold out here. Usually engages before this. And I have to get a new Bendix and install that. It's about a $12 piece. Save a lot of trouble. There it goes. Running. What's my temperature say? I can't tell. But I took care of her. A warm start instead of a cold start. All you need is a couple hydraulic fittings, some extra heater hose. You just loop it up, hook them in there, and away you go. And when you disconnect the trucks, you just plug them back together. Alrighty, well, it's time for me to plow some snow.